Brig Ramsu, good evening. My dear students, today we come across with another lesson, lesson 9. The name of the lesson is Farewell of Moses and Aaron. Farewell of Moses and Aaron. Two biblical characters, Moses and Aaron. Moses, a very good leader in Old Testament. Aaron, a priest. Moshe Aharon, Omarin Push Bashalomo Lahadode. See the title of the lesson, lesson 9, title Moshe Aharon, Omarin Push Bashalomo Lahadode. Moshe, Moses, and conjunction. Aharon, Aaron. Omarin, Pushba Shalomo Lahadode. Farewell. Pushba Shalomo Lahadode. Stay in peace one another. Pushba Shalomo Lahadode. Farewell. Moshe Aharon, Omarin Pushba Shalomo Lahadode. Farewell of Moses and Aaron. The lesson is, the poem is written by Morbalai. Who is Morbalai? Morbalai. It is a saintly person, holy man. Morbalai. Morbalai lived in the first half of the 5th century. First half of the 5th century. See? 5th century man. Nothing is known of the life of this poet. Nothing is known of the life of this poet except that he was a core episcopo, a village bishop, core episcopo. Episcopo is a term loaned from Greek. Supervisor, spiritual leader, core, village, core episcopo. He was a core episcopo. Morbalai was a core episcopo. Perhaps in the area around Aleppo, many short liturgical supplication hymns in the 5-syllable meter are attributed to him. Liturgical supplications, hymns in the 5-syllable meter are attributed to Morbalai. The 5-syllable meter hymns are known as the meter of Balai. The meter of Balai. See? Emar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. Emar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. Emar Moshe, Moses said, Shel, go. Bashlomo, peace. Bashlomo, go in peace. Moses said, go in peace. Moses said to whom? Moses said to Aaron. It is a dialogue in between Moses and Aaron. The next sentence. Kohano urhimo dubet aloho. Kohano, priest. Kohano urhimo, the loving priest. The caring priest. The loving priest. always service-minded priest, the merciful man, Koheno Ruhimo, the loving priest, the birth of the house, the birth, constructive form, Baito, constructive form of Baito, Beth, the birth of the house of Aloho, house of Aloho, the temple, house of Aloho, Koheno Urhimu Dubeth Aloho, the loving priest of the house of Lord, the loving priest of the house of Lord. Here, Aaron is the loving priest, and he is the priest of the house of Lord. He is always assisting or doing divine service in the temple. He is very loving one, caring one, service minded. Then Emar Aharun Pushba Shalomo, Aaron said to whom? Aaron said to Moses. Aaron said, Pushba Shalomo, stay in peace. Stay in peace. The tranquility of mind and body. Peace means the tranquility of mind and body. The tranquility of mind and body. Peace. Peace of mind. Peace of body. Aaron said, Emar Aharun, Pushba Shalomo, stay in peace. Aho Urhimo, the Rahame More. Aho Urhimo, the loving brother. The loving brother. Who is the loving brother? Moses. Moses, the leader, is the loving brother to Aaron the priest, the loving priest. Aho Urhimo, the loving brother. The brother who is always taking care of the priest. The brother who is always ready to render any service to the priest. Loving brother. The loving brother. Then the Rahame More. The Rahame More, who loved his master. The means who. Rahame, loved. Loved. More, his master. Who is his master? The master of Moses is God. God, the omnipotent. God, the absolute being. Who is the master of the leader? Here, Moses is the leader. And his master is the absolute being. Emar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. Moses said, Emar Moshe, Moses said, Shel Bashlomo, go in peace. Go in peace. Farewell. Go in peace. Koheno the Asik. Koheno the Asik. The order is prefixed to Asik. Koheno the Asik. Though the prefixed particle takes the vocalized sound of Aleph or the vowel of Aleph, then it is pronounced as Dasik. Koheno Dasik Dabahe Shalme. Koheno Dasik Dabahe Shalme. Koheno, O priest, Dasik, who offered, Dabahe sacrifices, Dabaho sacrifice, Dabahe sacrifices, Shalme, perfect sacrifice. What kind of sacrifice? The perfect sacrifice. Koheno Dasik Dabahe Shalme, O priest who offered perfect sacrifices. Emar Aharun, Pushba Shlomo, Aaron said, "Stay in peace. Stay in peace. Aho dasar kul gabravotu. Aho, oh brother, Aho. Dasar, who perfumed. Dasar, perfumed. Dasar, the word is prefixed. Dasar, who performed. Kul, every, all, kul. Gabaravotu, mighty acts. Gabaravotu, mighty acts. Miracles, mighty acts. Moses, the leader of Israelites, have performed many miracles. Who performed every mighty acts. Then Yamar Moses said, Shel Bashlomo, go in peace. Shel, go. Bashlomo, in peace. Beth is prefixed to Shlomo, in peace. Go in peace. Kohano the Shamali, Sebion More. Kohano, O priest. The Shamali, who fulfilled. The Dolad, who. Shamali, fulfilled. Sebayon means will. Whose will? More. His master's will. Doing the master's will is the very duty of the leader or the priest. The priest is always dedicated to do the will of his master. Kohano, the Shamali Sebion More, O priest, who fulfilled his master's will, divine will, master's will, divine will. Yamar Aaron said, Push Bashlomo, stay in peace. Aho the Ahet, Aho Dahet, the word is prefixed to Ahet. Aho, O brother, Ahet, brought down, brought down. Dahet, who brought down? Manna, heavenly bread, manna, miracle bread, manna. It was given to the Israelites in the Old Testament, manna. Le amo, for the people. Aho the ahet, aho dahet, manno le amo. O brother, who brought down manna for the people. See the text, how it is read. See the meaning and the grammatical construction of the words. Emar Moshe Shel Bashlomo, Kohano Ruhimo Dube Taluhu, Emar Aharun Push Bashlomo, Aho Ruhimo the Rahame More, Emar Moshe Shel Bashlomo, Kohano Dasek Debahe Shalme, Yamar Aharun Push Bashlomo, Aho Dasar Kul Gabravoto, Yamar Moshe Shel Bashlomo, Kohano the Samali Sebion More, Yamar Aharun Push Bashlomo, Aho Dahet Manno Lo Amo. Okay, good, study well. Two beautiful lessons. My dear students, give an introduction and develop the ideas into different paragraphs, give a conclusion and a moral lesson. Okay, thank you.